Hi guys on YouTube, this is Dream King here. In today's video I want to do the overview of this Hoover Washerdryer Eco technology. So the model number is the WDYN 577D. Let me just get on the floor. It's easier for me. So this is a 0.5 kilo dry. And you could do a 5.5 kilo auto dry as well in this machine. There's a dial there. You got cottons. You got cottons, collabs, A59, synthetics, delicates, wool, rinse, spin, drain, silk, rapid 14, rapid 30, rapid 44 minutes, sports wash, and then it's your high dry, low dry, and wash and dry in 59 minutes. If you come over here, it's your big massive display, and this is the Vision dynamic version. So this is the Vision dynamic. So you got the spin speed button, you got the stain blaster button, the sensitive care button, the delayed start, temperature, dry settings, and your start button, and then this button here is your wash time. So, and you got a big massive door. The door is massive, and then you got this wonderful 7 kilo wash and 5 kilo dry. This is the Eco technology one. So what it does the motor is quite loud in this machine. I have got a problem with this machine. It is really loud. And we got a 1400 RPM spin speed as well to dry all the clothes. So I'm going to go through all the settings for you now. So first thing we're going to choose is the cottons plus pre-wash. This is where you can have the spin speed down to up to 1400. You got your, say 3 hours. I'm going to change the, so you got 90 degrees wash. You can have stain blaster, your sensitive care, the delay timer that goes up to, I think it's 24 hours. Yeah, 24 hours. And then you got your time. So this will come after the wash cycle. You got extra dry, cupboard dry, iron dry, and then your cool down. And then you got your timed 120, 90 minutes, 60 minutes, 30 minutes. And you can have the wash time as well to middle and 2 hours 50 to 3 hours 28. So from 60 wash, exactly the same. Or you can have If you go down to 60, you can have the light wash, the stain care. It takes away. I don't know why it does that. So yeah. And then you got your 40 degrees. It's actually the same. You can have it on the maximum. That is your Eco Wash. And everything else like that. And go down to 30. And then Cold Wash. Cold Wash is 1 hour 52 on light. 12:27 for the. And then you got. So we're going to go on to colours now. Colours. So this is your eco cycle on a setting. So we can have 60 degrees with 2 hours 48. But this machine senses the load automatically. But if you have it on Stain Blaster, it will add more time and sensitive care. So yeah, this is where this machine gets quite creative. You can have it on light wash as well with. Stain Blaster on light takes away the time. So 2 hours 9 minutes. I have to try that out. And I have to try the Cold Wash as well. I was Cold Wash 3 hours 27 minutes. And 60 degrees. 3 hours 27 minutes for 40 degrees wash. Yeah, alright. We're going to go down to 59 minutes. This is your A-rated wash. At 59 minutes, you can only put like a half a load in. So it can't get washed properly. You can have 60 degrees, 40 degrees, 30 degrees cold wash with 1400. The aesthetics is the same, but the time will go down if you press it on. Delicate is 400 RPM with 40 degrees. No blaster. No, none of that. And you can have your time. No dry as well. I checked this cycle out yesterday. It's okay. Now you got your rinse at 10 minutes, but it only spins at 1,000. You can't have a 1400 spin. This is what I don't like about it. And then you got your spin at 9 minutes with 1400. Your drain for 4 minutes. Silk wash, no spin. At 30 degrees, 59 minutes. This is where you get your rapid wash. At 1000 RPM. At 14 minutes at 30 degrees, but I think you can have 40. No, only 30 degrees. And then you've got your. This is where you can have 40 degrees from the middle and the high, but on the 14-minute cycle. Sports, 1000 RPM, 1 hour 25 minutes. High dry, this way you can do your stuff. Your low dry is for delicate stuff. And then you got your wash and dry in 59 minutes. Iron dry, but I think you can change it. No, you can't. At 1000 RPM in 59 minutes. And then you turn off. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Guys, this is the WDYN 755D washing machine. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye for now.